Welcome back everyone to my channel Taj Online Classes. In this video, I will be calculating mean, median, mode, combined problem for 15 marks in your section C of your examination. Okay. In the previous video also I have calculated one problem, but that problem where they have directly given the classes and the frequency. But in this problem, I will be taking a kind of problem where they have not given the classes and frequencies directly, which we need to find out and calculate the mean, median and mode. In the previous year examination for section 15 marks in section C, they have asked one question, calculate median, like this. But they may ask mean also, they may ask mode also, they may ask median also. We should be ready. Okay. Let's take one example. This is an example created by me. Okay, you can write down this question. If the question is like, okay, wages of workers frequencies more than, okay, more than, they have said more than, and frequencies they have said. Frequencies is like more than 5, more than 15, more than 25, more than 35, more than 45. That is enough. Okay, let's say 45,000 like that, 4,500 like that, something we will assume. Frequencies are like, we'll assume 110, 100 and we'll say 95, we'll say 80, we'll say 60, we'll say 50. Okay. Now, this is the question where they have used the word more than. The word more than. Now, we need to solve this properly. First, we will calculate mean. First, we will calculate mean. Okay. Mean. You know, mean is x bar is equal to summation of fx divided by n, or summation of fx divided by summation of f, right? So first we need, what do we need to have? We need to have n, that is summation of f. We need to have fx. We need to have f column. We need to have x column. First we will put this in a classes. Classes is like more than 5. 5 to 15. 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. Also 45 to 55 also we need to take, because it is more than 45 is also given there. Correct? Okay, next. They have, what we need to do first? We need to find out X, that is class mark. Class mark. Okay. The mid value between 5 to 15 is 10. How did I get this? 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 15 plus 25 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 25 plus 35 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 35 plus 45 is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So now I have got the x. X total we don't need, right? Okay, we don't need x total. Fine. Next, they have given frequencies. Frequencies they have given. Okay. They have given frequencies like 110, 95, 80, 60 and 50. We need to find the f here. We need to find the f here, because when they give more than values, the frequencies which they have given is not the actual frequency which we need. Okay, we need to take deduct this 110 minus 95. How much? 110 minus 95 is 15. 15. 110 minus 95 is 15. 95 minus 80 is again 15. 80 minus 60 is 20. 60 minus 50 is 10. The remaining is 50. So this is how we need to take the differences between these. The 10 minus 95 is 15, 95 minus 80 is 15, 80 minus 60 is 20, 20 minus 50 is 10, and 50 is minus 0 is 50. Hence, we have to take the numbers like this only. We have got now X column and also we have got F column. Now we need to multiply these two. Fx, if we want, we need to multiply F column with X column. Okay. So now 15 into 10, 150. 20 into 15, 300. 30 into 20, 600. 40 into 10, 400. 50 into 50, 250. Oh, 10 into 15 is 150. Okay. 50 into 50 is 2500. Sorry. 40 into 10 is 400. Okay. So now summation of fx we can get. Summation of f also we can get. This is nothing but n, right? So 15 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 50 is 110. This is 150 plus 300 plus 600 plus 400 plus 2500 is 3950. So now as per the formula, mean is equal to summation of fx divided by n is equal to 3950. 3950 divided by 110, 110 is 35.90. This is your mean. Mean is equal to, therefore mean is equal to 35.90. We got mean for this. Now we need to calculate median. Okay, let's calculate median. Median is equal to middle value, right? The formula for calculating median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. This is the formula which we need to use for continuous series. For continuous series, right? For discrete series, n plus 1 divided by 2. For individual series also, n plus 1 divided by 2 we can take. So now for median, how we need to take the question? Let's take this question. Again, we need to put this into classes and we can use the frequency, same frequency. Here already we have calculated x and f. No, we don't need x. Okay, we can take from here only. We can take classes column and frequency column. We don't again and again need to calculate this. Classes and frequency. We have classes and frequency here only. Classes 0 to 15, 15 to 25, like that. Sorry, 0 to 15, 5 to 15, 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. We have the free classes. Also, we have already calculated the frequency here only. 15, 15, 20, 10, 50. 15, 15, 20, 10, 50. Correct. So we have the frequencies also. We have the n value also here. The total of so that is 110, right? 110 also we have. So now for finding mid value, what do we need to add? We need to add cumulative frequency. We don't need x. So here cumulative frequency is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 15 is 110. See, we got 110. Same. So now we have got the cumulative frequency. Yes, done. So next is n by 2. N is 110 divided by 2 is 55, 55th item. So which is the largest number than 55? That is 60. So C of 60 is larger than 55, correct? C of 60 is larger than 55. So we know that we need to take this, use the pencil and mark it like this. We need to take these items for formula. Here, this is CF as per the formula. This is L, this is F, and we have N by 2. The formula says, formula of median says L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. What is L? L is 35. N by 2 is how much? 55, which is already there. We have calculated. Next, CF is this one, previous number of this cumulative frequency, that is 50. F is this one, 10. H is the difference between these two. 35 minus 45 is 10. So now L is 35. N by 2 is 55 minus CF is 50 divided by F is 10. H is also 10. So now 35 plus 55 minus 50 is 5 divided by 10 into 10. That is 35 plus 5 divided by 10 is 5 divided by 10 is 0.5 into 10 that is 5. 35 plus 5, that is, what is median? Median is equal to 40. So we have got median as 40. Now next we need to calculate mode. Let's calculate mode for continuous series. What is mode? Mode means mostly repeated observation. Okay, so let's take the question same. What do we need to do? We need to write down the classes. We need to write down the frequency as we have written in this only, median mein. Okay, classes 5 to 15, like that, up to 55. 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. We have written the classes. Okay, next frequency is 15, 15, 20, 10, 50. 15, 15, 20, 10 and 50, correct? So this is the frequency, and the total of this is, we already know, summation of F is 115, right? Okay, with 110, 110, not 115. Okay, we know that. Now what do we need is, which is the highest frequency out of this? 20 is the highest frequency, right? Solution, step 1, highest frequency, which is highest frequency is F1, okay, is 20. If this one is F1, the previous one is F0, the next one is F2. Okay, the highest frequency is F1, the previous one is F0, the next one is F2. So now we have got F1 is 20, F0 is 15, F2 is 10. For this F1, what is the lower limit? L is 25. L is 25. H is the difference between 25 and 35 is 10, right? So we have got all the values which we require to calculate median as per the formula. Sorry, mode as per the formula. Mode is denoted with Z. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, this is the formula. Here L is how much? L is 25 plus F1 is F1 is 20 minus F0 is 15. 2 into 20 minus 15 minus 10 into 10. F2 is 10, right? H is 10. Okay. Next 25 plus 20 minus 15 is 5. 22 times is 40 minus 15 minus 10 into 10. Next 25 plus 5 divided by 40 minus 15 is 25. 25 minus 10 is 15. 15 into 10. Okay. 25 plus 5 divided by 15 is 0.33 into 10. That is 25 plus into 10 is 3.33. So 28.33 is your mode. Mode is equal to 28.33. This is how you need to calculate mean, median and mode for all for the series which they have not given the class intervals directly, but they have said more than word. Okay, and they have said frequencies. Once you find out the frequencies, that is enough. You can use the same frequency for calculating median and mode also. So this is how we calculate it. I hope that you have understood it. What you can do is you can keep the video in a slow motion so that you can easily understand, or you can watch the video repeatedly and solve more number of questions like this so that you can become perfect in this. Thank you so much.